Are you curious about which transcription tool is better? Today we'll compare Otter AI and Plaud to help you decide. Both tools are designed to make your life easier by turning speech into text. They can be helpful for students, professionals, and anyone who needs to capture conversations. Let's start with Otter AI. This tool is known for its accuracy and real time transcription. It can record meetings and interviews, making it a favorite among journalists and business people. Otter AI also offers collaboration features, allowing multiple users to edit and comment on transcripts. Now, let's talk about Plot. This tool focuses on simplicity and ease of use. It's great for quick transcriptions without a lot of extra features. Plaud is perfect for individuals who want straightforward transcription without any fuss. It also allows you to upload audio files for transcription. So, what are the key differences? Otter AI is more feature rich, while Plaud is simpler and more user friendly. If you need advanced tools like collaboration and integrations, Otter AI might be your best bet. On the other hand, if you want something easy to use for quick notes, Plaud is a great choice. When it comes to features, Otter AI offers real time transcription, speaker identification, and cloud storage. Plaud, however, provides basic transcription and file uploads without the extra bells and whistles. In terms of pricing, Otter AI has a free version with limited features and paid plans for more advanced options. Plaud also has a free version, but its premium plans are usually more affordable. In conclusion, if you need a powerful tool with many features, go for Otter AI. But if you prefer something simple and cost effective, Plaud is the way to go. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.